Hi everyone. So today I wanted to talk to you about this new cream that I'm using at night. It's called Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Here's the bottle. And what you do is you cleanse your face. My face is cleansed. And if you take a look at the lid, it has a little spoon attached, like a little applicator, and it works perfectly to scoop out a little bit. That's all you need, just a little bit. And what I do is I just dab it on my face. Maybe I need another little spoonful. You don't need a lot, just a little. And then you're able to rub it in and it spreads all over. The lotion is sort of like a liquid, but a cream at the same time, which is nice. It goes on smoothly, goes on silky, and it leaves your skin so soft and fresh, and it glows. So I love this cream. It works like a charm.